Every day, sci-fi movies are looking more like reality. We can access all of human information with our phones, can answer calls from our watches, and can ride in self-driving vehicles to get us from point A to B. The future is here in the automotive world too. With more aging vehicles on the road and owners wanting to maximize service life, demand for vehicle repairs is rising. This presents an opportunity for tire dealers to capture extra profits and future-proof their businesses amid changes coming to the automotive industry. Are you future-proofed and ready to face the realities of a new world? One of the biggest shifts we're seeing is the accelerating adoption of EVs. As states and cities set mandates to phase out sales of internal combustion engine vehicles, EV numbers will likely continue to climb over the next decade. However, a lot of auto technicians currently lack the specialized skills or tools required to work on these electrified cars. At a minimum, virtual training courses provide an understanding of the core EV systems and components. However, hands-on training is critical for learning important safety protocols when servicing high-voltage components. Over the next decade, there will still be a majority when it comes to ICE vehicles on the road. That means shops will have a window to properly equip themselves through the coming years while still capturing revenue from aging ICE vehicles. Use those profits to steadily upskill staff and upgrade your shop's equipment and facilities. In addition to training, outfitting service bays with larger lifts, dedicated EV workspaces, specialized tools, and stringent safety gear will all be important investments. Don't feel overwhelmed though. Anticipate these future needs and create a financial plan to roll out these changes systematically. Another key future-proofing step is digitalizing your shop's services and customer experience. Websites with online booking and tracking portals will become the norm, giving customers the seamless convenience they've grown accustomed to in other areas of their lives. While these technology shifts may seem daunting today, they are approaching quickly. The window of opportunity is open now to leverage revenue from the aging vehicle fleet to properly prepare. Get started by making incremental progress and strategic investments. That way, as EVs and digital services go mainstream, your team and facilities will be ready in this new automotive era. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.